Welcome to ChiefBot Broadcasting Tutorial. With Broadcasting feature, you can broadcast messages to Messenger, SMS and email subscribers. Click on the Broadcasting menu on the left sidebar, under the Messenger Tools section. This section is divided into four main sections. First, Messenger Broadcasting. Second, SMS Broadcasting. Third, Email Broadcasting. Fourth, SMS and Email Sequence Campaigner for external contacts. Let's see each section. First, Messenger Broadcasting. Here you will be able to send direct messages to Messenger subscribers. This section is divided into two subsections. 1. Subscriber Broadcast. 2. OTN, Subscriber Broadcast. The subscriber broadcast subsection here is for sending non-promotional messages with tags only. It is also used for sending 24-hour structured message broadcasts to Messenger bot subscribers. Promotional messages are allowed for 24-hour broadcasting. You must use daily broadcasting with message tags carefully. Messages should not contain any advertisement or promotional material. Make sure to use appropriate tags that are applicable for sending messages to those people. Using a message tag without proper reason may result in blocking your page's messaging option by Facebook. To create a subscriber broadcast, click on the campaign list link. After the page is fully loaded, you can see all subscribers' broadcasts created so far. You can filter broadcasts by page, status, search field and the date range button. To create a subscriber broadcast, click on the Create Campaign button at the top. You will be redirected to a page to set up a campaign. First, provide a campaign name here. Then, select the Facebook page. Next, select the broadcast type. If you select non-promo, then you are required to provide the message tag as well. Click on this information sign to get more information about the tags you can use under some circumstances. But if you select 24-hour promo as a broadcast type, you can go directly to the targeting option section. If you don't want to send to all of the page subscribers, then you can target by labels. Click here to select the labels. Similarly, if you don't want to send to a specific label, then you can specify it here. Unsubscribe labels will be excluded automatically. You can narrow the subscribers by gender, time zone and local. Local is the language of the subscriber. Next, provide the message template to broadcast. First, select the message type. There are 11 message types available. They are text, image, audio, video, file, quick reply, text with buttons, generic template, carousel, list, and finally, media. After you select one of the message types, then fill out the corresponding data of the message type. Finally, click on Create Campaign button. Your messages will start to be delivered right away. Let's go back and see the second subscriber broadcast. OTN, Subscriber Broadcast. The Messenger platform one-time notification allows a page to request a user to send one follow-up message after the 24-hour messaging window has ended. The user will be offered to receive a future notification. Once the user asks to be notified, the page will receive a token which is an equivalent to a permission to send a single message to the user. The token can only be used once and will expire within 1 year of creation. One-time notification basically is a request for follow-up message broadcasting. To create an OTN subscriber broadcast, click on this campaign list link. To create a subscriber broadcast, click on the Create Campaign button at the top. You will be redirected to a page to set up the campaign. First, provide a campaign name. Then, select the Facebook page. Next, select OTN Postback Template. If you don't want to send to all page subscribers, then you can target by labels. Click here to select the labels. If you don't want to send to a specific label, then you can specify it here. Unsubscribe labels will be excluded automatically. You can also narrow the subscribers by gender, time zone and local. Local is the language of the subscriber. Next, provide the message template you are going to broadcast. First, select the message type. There are 11 message types available. They are text, image, audio, video, file, quick reply, text with buttons, generic template, carousel, list, and media. After you select one of the message types, then fill out the corresponding data of the message type. You can schedule the campaign now or later by choosing the sending time here. By default it is set to post right away, but if you choose to send later, then you have to enter the schedule time and the time zone. Finally, click on the Create Campaign button. Your messages will start delivering to your target audience immediately. Let's go back and see the second main section of broadcasting known as SMS broadcasting. Here you will be able to send SMS messages to Messenger and external subscribers. First, you need to complete the SMS API settings, so that this feature can function. This section is divided into 3 subsections. 1. SMS API settings. 2. SMS campaigns. 3. SMS templates. Let's first see how to set up SMS API settings. To do that, click on the action link here. After the page is fully loaded, you can see the lists of all SMS API gateways you have set up so far. To set up a new SMS API, click on the Add New API button, and you will see 3 options appear. On the first option, you can add a default gateway. Then, on the second option, you can add a custom Get SMS API. On the third option, you can add a custom Post SMS API. Clicking Add Default Gateway displays a pop-up form to set up default gateway. You will find all the information required to set the default gateway by clicking on this Instructions button. First, you need to select the default gateway you would like to use from here. Currently there are 10 default gateways available to use for ChiefBot SMS broadcasting. First, Plivo. Second, Twilio. Third, Nexmo. Fourth, Planet. Fifth, SemiSMS.net. Sixth, Clickatel Platform. Seventh, Clickatel. Eighth, MSG91.com. Ninth, africastalking.com. And 10th, RootSMS.com. You need to fill the form by selecting the default gateway you desire. Remember, you need to follow the instructions here if you are unsure on what to enter. After that, click on the Save button here to finish. Let's go back and see how to create a new SMS campaign. First, click on the Actions link here. After the page is loaded, you will see a list of SMS campaigns you created so far. You can filter campaigns through a date range by their status and a search field. To create an SMS campaign, click on the New SMS Campaign button here. You will be redirected to a page that looks like this. The page is divided by 2 sections. The left side is for sending SMS campaigns for Messenger subscribers. And the right side is for sending SMS campaigns for external SMS subscribers. To send SMS messages to Messenger subscribers, First, provide a campaign name here. Then select the SMS API you want to use. Select the Facebook page from here. If you don't want to send SMS to all page subscribers, then you can target by labels. Click here to select the labels. Also, if you don't want to send to a specific label, then you can specify it here. Unsubscribe labels will be excluded automatically. You can also narrow the subscribers by gender, time zone and local. Local is the language of the subscriber. If you want any delay during sending SMS to phone numbers, then provide a delay. You can keep it blank if you don't need any delay. Next, provide the message you are going to broadcast here. You can use the first and last name of the messenger subscribers using these buttons. Now the next step is to select external subscribers' contacts or upload contact CSV file. This is only necessary if you have external contacts to send SMS messages to their phone numbers. If you want to add your country code to your contact numbers, then simply put your country code here, then select the Add option from the drop-down. The country code will be added into every contact number. You can also remove country code by selecting Remove option from drop-down menu. You can schedule the campaign now or later by choosing the sending time here. By default it is set to post right away, but if you choose to send later, then you have to enter the schedule time and the time zone. Finally, click on the Create Campaign button. Your SMS messages are expected to be delivered shortly. Let's go back and see the third SMS broadcasting option called SMS Templates. This is a useful feature to set up SMS message templates for SMS sequence messages. Click on the Actions link here to begin creating SMS templates. After the page is loaded, click on the New Template button at the top. A modal window will appear with a form for creating the template. First, provide a template name, and then enter the content of the messages for SMS sequences. After you are done, click on the Save button. Let's proceed and take a look at the next main broadcasting feature: email broadcasting. Using this, you will be able to send email messages to Messenger and external subscribers. First, you should complete email API settings for this feature to function. This section is divided into 3 subsections. 1. Email API settings. 2. Email campaigns. 3. Email templates. First, let's see how to set up email API settings. Click on this action link here and you will see 4 email gateways. First, SMTP API. Second, Mandrill API. Third, SendGrid API. Fourth, Mailgun API. Clicking on each gateways will redirect you to a page to set up their corresponding API settings. Let's now see how to create email campaigns. First, click on the action link. After the page is fully loaded, you can see the lists of all email campaigns created so far. You can filter email campaigns through a date range, by their status, and a search field. To create an email campaign, click on the New Email Campaign button here. You will be redirected to a page that looks like this. First, provide the campaign name here. Then provide the email subject here. You have 2 ways to write down the content of the email. 1. Using the rich text editor. And 2. Using drag and drop email templates. If you don't already have email templates created using the drag and drop builder, then you can click this link to create new templates. Clicking a new template button will redirect you to a new page to create a new drag and drop email template. After you created the template and saved it, you need to click on the Refresh Template label here and select the desired template. Next, you need to select the email API you want to use. If you want to provide a file attachment, then you need to upload it using this button. If you want to send the emails to external subscribers, then you need to select the contact groups from here. Then within the Messenger subscribers section, first you need to select the Facebook page. If you don't want to send to all page subscribers, then you can target by labels. Click here to select the labels. Alternatively, if you don't want to send to a specific label, then you can specify it here. Unsubscribed labels will be excluded automatically. You can also narrow the subscribers by gender, time zone and local. Local is the language of the subscriber. You can schedule the campaign now or later by choosing the sending time here. By default it is set to post right away, but if you choose to send later, then you have to enter the schedule time and the time zone. To finish sending emails to the targeted subscribers, then click on the Create Campaign button. Finally, let's go back and see the last main broadcasting section known as SMS and Email Sequence Campaigner for external contacts. This section is for setting up sequence campaigns for external subscribers. It is a marketing strategy that sends, or drips, a pre-written set of messages to external subscribers whose phone numbers and email addresses are registered. To begin, click on the action link here. After the page is fully loaded, you will see all the sequence campaigns created so far. To create a new sequence, click on the Add Sequence button here. You will be redirected to a page to set up a sequence campaign for external subscribers. Then you need to enter the campaign name and select either email or SMS sequence type. Next, you need to select the corresponding API for email and SMS sequence types. Then, you will be able to set up the 24-hour or daily time of your SMS or email sequence messages. You need to select the 24-hour or daily time email or SMS templates using these forms. After setting up your desired message sequences, then click on Create Campaign button. Alright, that's it for ChiefBot broadcasting tutorial.